We'll guide you through how to create a website in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and moving your cursor to the search bar at the top of the window. Click the bar to select it, then type Notion and press Enter on your keyboard so the page can load the results. When the search results appear, select the first website shown in your browser so you can open the Notion page. After the site loads, log in or sign into your account to get into your workspace. Once you are inside, look for the Marketplace section and click it. Inside the Marketplace, go to the Templates section. When you are in the Templates area, move to the search bar at the top and type websites so you can find website templates made for Notion. A list will come up, and you can choose any free template that shows up and fits what you need. After you open the template, press the Add button, then choose Private so the template is added to your private section. When it finishes adding, look at the left bar of your workspace and find the new template you just added. Left-click the template to open it fully. Inside the page, you can start editing based on what you want your website to look like. You can change the title at the top, edit the main area, and also replace the main image if the template has one. To change the image, right-click the image and choose Replace. A small file window will pop up, and you can use it to find the image you want to add from your computer. Once you find the right image, select it and add it to your page so the look of your site matches your style. After you finish the edits, go to the top right corner of the page and find the Share button. Click the Share button to open the sharing options. Select Publish so you can turn your Notion page into a live website. When the Publish page opens, press the Publish button at the bottom to make the website go live. After publishing, Notion will give you a link. Copy the link and save it so you can share your website with others.